So, goodbye. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina. I run a blog and a YouTube called Style with Nina. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you are returning, you have amazing taste. Here we talk about luxury, beauty, fashion, and travel. If any of those things interest you, go ahead, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you are notified of all of my amazing videos. So on today's video, I am going to be doing a triple unboxing of Versace. People say Versace, it's Versace. Versace. Or Versace, whatever you want to say. But anyway, let me go ahead and start with the first thing. It's the closest to me. Is that dust on here? So the first thing I get from Versace is, put that down, this makes a lot of noise, y'all. I'm shopping as if this horrible you know what is going to be over soon and I can get back to my traveling. So that's what this is. Okay. So I get, is the lighting showing what this even is? Let me see. Can y'all see this? Okay. So I got these pair of Versace pool slides. And they're kind of like a, let me put them up close. You can't, I don't know if y'all can see them or not. But they're kind of like a sparkly type of, I like them because they're a little bit more understated for Versace. A lot of them, I did like the ones that had the, this part right here is gold. But, you know, when you find a sale, you get what the sale has. So that's what this is. They do run, as far as sizing is concerned, I wear a US size 9 in women's. And I got these are probably men's. I got these in a 40. And what's crazy is I think I got them in a 39 and a 40. The 40s are a little too big. I'm not showing y'all my feet because they looking a little dry right now. So what I got was, I got these, I think I ordered a 39 and a 40. Sometimes in the summertime, your foot swells up a little bit. So I'm just that girl. I don't like for sandals and slides to fit perfect because, you know, if your toes move just a little bit, then it'd be looking, you know, this the shoe, this your toe. I don't like that look. So got those. That's the first unboxing. The second one just came in today, and hubby was side-eyeing me because I have been doing, though I have a lot of unboxing videos to show you guys, I have kind of scaled back on my shopping, and you're gonna find it hard to believe with these videos coming up. You are, but believe me, I have, even though you're gonna find it hard to believe. But I've scaled back on shopping so much because when I redid my studio, and I'm still working on it, I was able to kind of visually see the stuff I had. It just became like, what are you shopping for? So, but I don't miss out on a good, you know, deal or whatever. So I'll definitely leave these in the description box if I can find them. Anything that I can find will always be listed in the description box, or if I can find something similar. If I can find this for a good price, I will link them in the description box. So anyway, these came in today, long story short. Because I have not been shopping like I normally do, hubby was kind of like, oh, okay, because I got some Versace's and I got some Prada ones, but that'll be coming in a later video. So, okay, this is a first impression as well. So this would be my second pair of Versace sunglasses. And I got these because the square glasses are trending for spring summer 20. Oh, these things is tight. Jesus. So that's how they look on. I'll show you. Let me see what they're looking like. Okay. They kind of look like a pair I already got, so they're a little different, but they look real similar to a pair that I already have. They feel real comfortable on though. They were a little tight when I put them on, but they are, let me show you guys. That is the side. Can y'all see the little V on the side? So they're cute, or what I think they're cute. Do they look like a pair that I already have? Possibly. I may run downstairs and get the other pair just so we can see if they look like, and y'all tell me in the comments. So anyway, that is the second unboxing. Y'all let me know if you like them. But you know, the square glasses are they square? I guess, yeah, the square glasses are in right now. So got those. Let me show you close up. Can y'all see the V? I swear I can't. Okay, there it is. And that's what they look like. So they are the tortoiseshell style of glasses. So I'm gonna run downstairs and get the other pair. And we gonna see if they are similar. Because when you're shopping online, they look different than in person. So, okay, you guys. So I am back. And I ran downstairs to get my vintage pair of Versace. When I tell you these as old as they vintage. These are Verses by Gianni Versace. And that's the side of them. The little Versace lion thing, whatever it is need a little help. And these are the ones I already had. So that's that one. Let me show you the side. Let me show you the other side. Hopefully I ain't showing y'all this double chin that's been up here from COVID or whatever. But so that's that one. I'm shooting with a new lens and I gotta get used to it. So old box, new box. And these are the new ones. Do they look too similar? I mean, let's just, you know. What y'all think? Leave in the comment section if you think they look too similar. That don't mean I'm gonna take them back, but you know, who knows? And I purchased these because when you're doing styling videos, you just need more shades. Because I mean, with a mask and all the stuff I wear, if I ever leave out the house, when I'm gonna wear some shades. I don't know, but in style videos they're cute, so that's what I got. And I'm hoping that by the summertime things will be a little bit back to, they won't be back to normal, because we all know that now there is a new normal. So there will be a new normal. There's not a, things are not getting back to normal for a very, very, very long time. Yeah, so that is the second item that I purchased from Versace. It's crazy how one box, the Versace is gray, and then that box, the Versace is gold. Okay, and then the next and the last Versace, I like how they sent, well, it was wrapped in their beautiful paper. Guys, I'm looking for, if you find, I'm looking for some Versace wallpaper, but it's a particular style of Versace wallpaper that I want. That's not, some of them be looking a little out there, and you know, I'm a little flashy, but I'm not that flashy. So anyway, this reminds me of the wallpaper that is sold out that I want, so hopefully I can find it. Okay, so this is the third Versace, and this box is, I don't know if this is supposed to be white or silver. So let me show y'all. So the shoes were in this same color, and this is gold. So I am excited about these, y'all. Real quick story. When I purchased these, I made a mistake and ordered 2 pairs because I was clicking, you know what I'm saying? It was clicking and I had clicked too quick, and I didn't get, usually when you shop online from Versace, you immediately get an email saying your order, or you'll see it like in your orders that your order was placed. So I didn't see that. So I double clicked it, ordered it twice, and I was able to get it canceled before it came out. So I am excited about these, you guys. And this is, I would say, something that was on my 2020 wish list as well. These are fabulous, y'all. Oh my God, I forgot how fabulous these were. So these, they're not exactly what I had on my luxury wish list, but they are, to me, even better. They are, oh my God, I'm excited. I just can't hide it. Okay, I'm trying to show y'all because they are humongous. And it wasn't a lot, when I was on the Versace website, there wasn't a lot of information on this particular pair of earrings. Like, it didn't have the size, so I didn't know if I was going to be ordering something really small or really big. But anyway, they got them connected, so I can't even. But they so cute. Oh my God, I love them. Yeah, I know I ordered some other Versace earrings. They are so adorable. Oh my God, I love them. So they are like oversized dangle earrings, y'all. And they got a little bit of weight to them. They are, I think I'm gonna have to do a screenshot showing you guys what they look like, because they're still connected and I don't have any scissors with me. I'm trying not to break them, Jesus, because they seem like they may break easy right there. That's the only concern I have. So just to give y'all like a, this is the other earring. So I love them. They are some amazing earrings. I don't know what they're called. Again, if I can find them anywhere, I will link them below. The only thing I'm not liking about them, but you know, is you have to be careful with the little dangle part about, but you have to be careful with the little Versace. I wonder if they, anybody know what type of warranty Versace has on their jewelry? I don't know. But I feel like this part, if you was gonna have an issue with these earrings, it's gonna be here, because the the hoop part of the earrings is heavy. So yeah, I don't know, but they cute. They fabulous. They're kind of giving me like Versace Dolce and Gabbana, if that makes sense. You know that floral pattern that Versace is doing. But I guess that's Versace too, because J-Lo had the dress, the infamous dress on that, you know, or whatever, that everybody went crazy. I guess when she was with Diddy. So anyway, that is the third unboxing of the triple Versace unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know again in the comments section if you think the glasses are too similar. Now I will say, just, you know, if you rewind it back and look, the vintage ones they're kind of more cat-eye-ish, and the ones I got that came in the mail today are more square. That's my 2 cents or whatever. So let me know again in the comment section if you think they're too similar, and which one is your favorite. Do you like the vintage ones or the new ones I got today? I'm kind of torn. I like them both, clearly, because I got them. I feel like they kind of serve two different looks, if that makes sense. Like the square is just giving you a different look than the little bit of the cat eye. So yeah, that will conclude my video. And stay stylish, stay fabulous. Mwah.